Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make cabbage fufu. I'm using one medium-sized cabbage. I'll start by cutting the cabbage. Next, I'll add white vinegar to the cabbage to cut down the strong smell of cabbage. Add water. If you don't mind the smell of cabbage, you can skip the step. I'll give it a stir and leave it to sit inside the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll strain it out and give it a good rinse. Leave it to drain out a bit. I'll transfer the cabbage inside the blender. I'll be using oats to bind the cabbage fufu. I'll use 1 cup of oats. Add a little bit of water. I'll cover the blender. And blend it into a smooth paste. Next, transfer the blended cabbage inside the pot. And stir it. I'll be cooking it on medium heat. Keep stirring so it won't form lumps. After some time, it will start to come together. I'll keep stirring until it's cooked. Once the cabbage fufu is cooked, remove the spatula and remove the cabbage fufu from the pot. I'll wrap the cabbage fufu with plastic food wrap. This is optional. You can serve it without wrapping it as well. Cabbage fufu is very healthy and delicious. If you're trying to stay healthy or you want to lose weight, this is the fufu you want to be having. Leave the cabbage fufu to cool for about 10 minutes so it will firm. And serve and enjoy. You can enjoy cabbage fufu with any soup of your choice. I'm having it with vegetable soup, and this cabbage fufu tasted very delicious. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the cabbage fufu has firmed, and I'm going to be enjoying it. Will you be giving this recipe a try? If you do, let me know how yours came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.